Okay, Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Muhammad Rahimi bin Ayub. Okay, so hari ni saya nak bincangkan tentang lab 4. So ni coding saya yang saya buat. So this end for range of starting of -6 until 6. So Sn is based on the lab. We can see at the graph. And then for the k is the range, and then sk is for the coefficient that we simplify by using the formula. So here we can see there are 3 subplot, which is 1, 2, 3. For the subplot 3, 1, 1, which means 3 is a row, 1 is a column, 1 is a vector. So this is number 1. And then for the subplot is for number 2, and then for the number 3 is a 3, 3, 1, 3. So for the subplot number 1, we use for the time domain signal Sn. For the second, we use for the magnitude of Dtfs coefficient for Sn. For the third, use for the phase Dtfs coefficient for Sn. So we can see, okay, let's me run. So when we click the run, so it may take the several time to open. Okay, so we can see this figure. Okay, we can see here this graph is for the time domain. So this is follow the based on the coding. So we can see for the first is 0.5. So for the second is 1, and it's just followed by until n. So okay, let's move for the part 2, which is number 2, 2a. Okay, number 2, 2a is for n we use -10 until 10. So Sn we also have to change. So we change based on the graph that given, and then this range we use for -10 until 10. So this for sk is the simplify. So we get 1 over 6 multiplied by 1 plus 4 cos k pi over 3. And then for the subplot also we have a 3. This is the same with the previous one. So we have a time domain signal, magnitude of the Dtf coefficient, phase of the Dtf, so all the same. So just we change for the n, Sn and Sk to get for the different result, which mean for the different calculation. That's why we change. So let's run. Okay, so it's already run. So we can see here, this is the graph for the number 2, 2a. This by following the graph. So we can see here, this was 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is 2, 2, 1, 2. Let's just follow by the. So we can see all same. So this for the magnitude. We can see for the magnitude. We can see the reading value, and then this for the phase of Dtfs. So that's all for this part. For the 2b, Shahmi will present. Okay, thank you.
Hello guys and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Shami bin Zulkifli and I from BEEZ 1/1, and my metric number is B08191091. Okay, in this lab I'm gonna explain about my part, and my part is 2B. Okay, in this part I'm gonna explain you the first plot that we get, time domain signal plot, XN. As you can see in the simulation that I got, based on the XN that we set on the code 0, 0, 0, -2, -1, 0, 1. As you can see, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. This is all about that we code in the MATLAB, and we're gonna get the plot of the graph. Okay, the second plot is the magnitude of Dtfs coefficient for Xn. Okay, based on the magnitude, based on this plot, as we can see, we still using the Xn input, and we insert the formula of the magnitude of this coefficient for Xn, and the result will get as you can see, the result will get this negative starting with the 0.1, 0.3, 0.4. This is following the formula that we get on the code that we insert. Okay, we go to the next plot, that is the third plot on this part, the base of the TFS coefficient for xn. Okay, as you can see, the coding in this third block is like this. As you can see, we're using a formula radian, and we're still using the SK formula and XN input from the coding. As you can see, the result is based on the third block you see here. Okay, thank you guys, that's all for me.